Hi, Steve.
Okay.
3 points in the end.
Yeah. I thought second half were phenomenal.
Yeah.
But that's credit to the players, and it was my fault first half. It weren't their fault. I got the tactics wrong.
Right.
That's what I thought. And second half we went out and we tweaked a few things half time. We went out and played it how we normally play.
Seemed to play higher up the pitch second half.
And we're fantastic, and we got what we deserved in the end. But it was my fault first half. I got the tactics wrong, so I take full responsibility for that. I thought first 20 minutes we should have been 2 or 3-0 up anyway. Chances we missed, and then we've conceded two really sloppy goals from our point of view. But credit to Llanidloes, they put us under some pressure. But I think also as well it was down to the tactics we went with first half. It didn't work. I thought they'd work. It didn't work. I take responsibility for that. We tweaked it at half time, and like I said, the lads were brilliant.
Yeah, second half it was like chalk and cheese, wasn't it? First half we did create the chances, but they got the goals, and then second half we were just, Lewis's goal was great, but we just looked like we wanted it more. Second half
we had more energy, but even the first half we weren't terrible. We just conceded 2 sloppy goals, and I never felt totally worried throughout the game, because I said to him at half time, we got the tactics wrong first half. We went out second half, and I said we would have created 5-6 chances, which we did. Luckily we put 3 of them away.
There in the end. Well, another big game next week.
We'll enjoy tonight. We'll enjoy tonight. We'll enjoy the journey home, and we'll go again and prepare for Connors Quay next week.
Okay, thanks very much, and well done again.
Cheers. Special mention to the Seagulls as well. Again, we put them through the mill. But the support, the noise.
It's a bit of a horrible day here, but you could hear them all through the game.
You can hear them all the way through, and trying to pick the players up, and the players responded.
Again, well done. Thank you very much. Cheers.